Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed our interface, video interface to add backup camera to a Porsche Cayenne, and we use our OEM fit backup camera for the Porsche Cayenne, and also we have an Audi Q5 that we add navigation and backup camera, and this gentleman came all the way from Virginia to install this unit. And as you can see, we use the same Porsche and Audi camera. So the backup camera is integrated to Porsche radio. Basically, by going to reverse, the camera pops out. And it comes with dynamic parking guidelines. So by turning the steering wheel, the dynamic parking guideline turns too. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras, you can buy them online from our website 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call and book your appointment for installation. And I'm going to the Q5 right now. This is our 7-inch screen that it's built-in. Car came with the Audi concert radio, and that's the aftermarket mode. It has navigation, Bluetooth music streaming, and by touching the Audi logo, you can go to the factory MMI. By touching the screen, you go back to the aftermarket. Backup camera pops out in both aftermarket mode and original MMI, and it comes with dynamic parking guidelines as well. Again, if you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.